Going down the Yarra and bit of a set of rapids here. Didn't intend to before. I'm going down this way, so yeah, need to negotiate this and get down there. Boats, right, here we go, off the rocks, drag it off, plumbing. This is what we've just negotiated. Wasn't too bad, dragging it over, put the feet powering out of here, and we'll be on the way to get more fishing. Bit of rock scraping and submerged sticks and logs and things, no problem. Now, here we go. As you can see, again they're just pretty durable, these things. Lots of fishing going. Just came roaring down there, so it was interesting. Yeah, it was good. A little bit more water coming up. Let's get these oars out the way and use the feet to power around it. Yeah, nice and smooth this one, and gentle compared to the last one. As you can see, we're in a inflatable pontoon boat. Yep, just got some rocks there. Yep, we'll just spin it around now and get the feet going again. All the way from that's where we just came through. There we go, into the quieter water. Yeah. A few sticks down there, but nothing much. Okay. Just came down there, down the right hand side. Yeah. A few bumps and scratches.